Hi, my name's Carly. I'm here with the Vibo team, and today I'm going to explain to you what to do when you're invited as a guest. If you're invited as a guest, you should have received a text with a link in it. When you click on the link, if you don't already have the app downloaded, it'll take you to a web page that will ask you if you want to open the App Store to download the app. Once it's downloaded, the app will prompt you to log in. If you pick Create an Account, you can create an account or at the bottom click Sign Up Later and sign in as a guest. When you put your information in, it'll take you to the events page. At the top, if you click on Music, you'll see all the sections of the event that guests can recommend songs for. When you click on a section, at the bottom, click on the green plus sign to recommend a song. You can search YouTube at the top for any song that you'll want to hear during the event. Once you've located the song, click the green plus sign next to the song to add it to that playlist. If you go back, you'll see that the song that you recommended has been added to that playlist. You can continue adding songs through this feature to any of the sections on the screen before it. Feel free to check out our other YouTube videos for more information about how the app works.